Okay, this is going to be about creating the texture for this side walkway. Select that shape and open UV editor. I want to check it out the UV editor. Okay, have a look at this one. I know I can fix this UV, and also there are some unwanted polygons over here. See, this is the top and these all going to be side and bottom. I press Q. See, these all I need. I don't want the bottom. What I'll do, I'm going to delete all these faces that I don't want. First collapse the modifier over there, then I select, then it will make my life a bit easier. Press F4 to see the wireframe mode, hold down the shift key, hold down the control, select all the polygon that you don't want. So a few more to go. Here we go. Make sure you done the right thing. Oh, I haven't. Alt deselect. Press delete key to get rid of unwanted. Okay, those are all the polygons that I need. Then again go back to the top of the hierarchy. Put the UVW modifier. Have a look at the UV unwrap now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fix these edges, then it will make my life easier when I'm doing the texture painting. I'm going to stitch these faces together. What I'll do, go to the edge, I'm going to select all these edges, continuous, and press this button, custom stitch. Here we go. When I'm not going to stitch these corners, I'm going to leave those corners open. Oh sorry, this button. Here we go. Here. Stitch them back. Hold on. Okay, I'm not going to stitch all these corners together. Then what I'll do, I'm closing up. Okay, I need to leave them open. Make sure pre-pack the UVs and get the free form. I'm going to put this guy in the middle, leaving some space in between. All good. Now I'm going to save, collapse this one, collapse all. Yes, here we go. I'm going to send this one. Okay, hopefully you guys, if the send function is not work, you know what I'm been doing. Export, select your model and export selected. Export selected. Okay, but my send function is properly work. Send to Mudbox as a new scene. Here we go. Open up the Mudbox. Don't save. This is my previous version. Okay. Okay, same setting, mesh, because since I got the hard edges, I need to keep those hard edges as it is. That's what I am doing. Make sure you have unchecked those things. Then Shift D to add subdivision level. Okay, I'll go 4. That's really fine. Then make sure you in the paint layer, create the new layer, base, work, plane. Here we go. Okay, all ready to be exported to Photoshop. Okay, if you don't have to export to Photoshop, but I like to work with the combination of these Mudbox and Photoshop. That's why I'm doing. Okay, if you're happy, you can just work on the Mudbox. Export channel to PSD. Okay, work. Here we go. This is my UV panel. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to texture this one with the existing texture, some of the texture that I have downloaded from the internet. Let me to open and show. First I can show them from here. What are the textures that I'm going to use? Let me to browse. Okay, I have downloaded the concrete texture, which is this one. I'm going to use this one, and I have found something similar to paving. Okay, it's too big. Okay, which is this one. Okay, I know there are few bit and pieces need to be fixed, which I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys how you can fix those images. First, get back them in Mudbox, open. It's under my textures, I guess. Textures, I need this guy and this guy, open. Okay, I got those two textures back in Photoshop. Okay, what I'll do first, I get the select this is my concrete pavings. I get the rectangle marquee, which is this one. I'm going to select the area. Okay, make sure if your previous setting you set to fix size, make it to normal. Control D to deselect. Okay. Control C to copy, go back. Control V to paste. Control T bottom to resize. Let me to press enter to apply. Let me to zoom in, then you can see what I'm doing in here. That's too much. Okay, this is the texture that I have copied. Control T to resize again. There we go. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix these areas. See, this text, it is laying over there. What I do, I get the clone pattern tool. See, sorry, clone stamp tool, which is this one. I'm going to put it down the size. That's good enough. Okay, hold down the Alt key, then you can sample and you can fix. You can get those sample Alt key, and you can get. I'm going to clone this area to this. That's what I'm doing. Press Alt and one more time. Holding down the Alt and press. You can get. You can erase those edges that you don't want. Areas that you don't want. Okay, here we go. all looking good. Now what I need to duplicate this layer. Alt and press, Alt and move, able to make the duplicate layer. Again, Alt, move. Here we go. Then these are my layers. I want to merge them down. Control E to merge. Then what I need for the edges, I need the concrete going all over. I'll move this a little bit over here. Then here we go. Okay. Then I get this concrete pattern. Select A. So Control A to select all. Control V. Sorry. Control A to select all. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. Then again Control T to resize. I'm going to resize on here. Okay. Alt and drag, Alt, drag, Alt, drag. Alt, drag. What I'll do, I'm going to merge all these layers together. It is up to this point. Hold down the shift key and you can select the multiple layers and Control E to merge layers. See, now they all in one layer. Then what I'll do, hold down the Alt key and drag. Then you can make a duplicate. Now it's all good. My time is running out. I'll show another bit and pieces in my next video.